We are going to see about working with requests and response. In Express.js, a request object represents the HTTP request from the client, and a response object represents the HTTP response that the Express application sends back to the client. Request object. The request object contains all the information about the incoming HTTP request, such as URL, request method, request headers, request parameter, query parameter, and request body. It allows you to access data sent by the client in various ways. Response object. The response object is used to send the HTTP response back to the client. It provides various methods to send different type of response such as send, JSON, status, redirect, etc. It allows you to set response headers, status code and send data back to the client. Now I am going to show you how we can work with request and response in Express.js along with the code and explanation. First I am going to importing Express. Now I am going to add a middleware for logging request time. App.use. Now I am going to route the handler for the home page. App.get slash request comma response rest.send hello world. Now I am going to create a route handler for handling get request. App.get slash API slash data request comma response now I'm going to send a response at get request received. Next I'm going to create a route handler for handling post request. App.post API slash post app.data request comma response rest dot send post request received. Next I am going to create a route handler for handling put request. App.put slash API slash data. Here I am going to send a params of ID request comma response rest dot send put request received for id or id. Here I am saying request dot params dot id. Next I am going to add a route handler for handling delete request. App dot delete API slash data id request comma response rest dot send received for id request dot params dot id. Next I am going to create a route handler for handling query parameters. App dot get API slash query request dot response const name equal to request dot response dot send hello. And then I'm going to start the server. For that, first I'm going to create a const port equal to 3000, and then app dot listen port console.log server is running. Local host now if I run this, for that open the new terminal. See, we are getting server is running on localhost. See, we are getting hello world. Now I will show you how to run this get method. For this I am going to use the postman. Here I am going to use this URL, localhost URL. Here I am going to send slash API. First I am going to use the get method. See, if I click on send, See, we are getting get request received. See, and we are getting when I am pressing the end send button. Here the time also at what time I am logging. Now I am going to show you the post. See, we are getting post request received. Next, I am going to show you the put in postman. Put, and I want to send you the ID. I will send the ID of 2, and if I press, see, we are getting put request received for ID 2. Next, I am going to show you the delete. If I press send, see, delete request received for ID 2. Next, I am going to send you the, see, for the query, we want to send the key and value pair. For that, first I want to define a key as name and value as Sai. See, I am getting hello Sai. Like this, we want to use the query param also. Thank you.